Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Monday, it's about midday. Just going to do a short walk through the town on my way to somewhere and just sort of pop on and say hello and see what's going on now the school holidays are finished. Yeah, look, this car park's taking ages and ages to finish, isn't it? One of my viewers mentioned it to me. But yeah, it's all a bit long-winded, to be honest with you. Mark Kelly's North. Yeah, it's all been decorated nice out there, isn't it, for the old drinkers in the summer. Yeah, just a bit of everyday Blackpool. People have gotten on with their lives in Blackpool, have a little wander around the town. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. I'll tell you what, it's another gorgeous sunny day here in Blackpool. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah, look at the sunshine. Yeah, what a surprise that was to see the winter gardens open. That was me telling you it's never open, and it's not hardly open at all. I understand when there's private events on, they don't open it, but I've just never seen that bar or cafe open. But that's Blackpool Council for you. I forgot my hat today, but it's not too windy, so it's not too bad. Just a view down Clifton Street there. Shop on the corner still empty. Yeah, I think it'll be a bit quieter as we have a little wander through now the holidays are finished, but we should certainly see less children by rights anyway. I spoke too soon. My days, they're at school. They're at school, so that's different. Just ironic when I said we shouldn't see so many children. They're back at school, and we walk into about 50 children.
So that's the fact, friends. Who can you trust? Only God is worthy of our trust. And I've got to be straight. Only the true and living God.
Seagulls are loud today. Yeah, it looks like this Indian place is closed down. I know there's a few of them in the northwest, but yeah, this one looks like it's gone. I wonder what's going to happen to this old jeweller's in front of you there. It's been empty for years, that has. Really old building. And more children. Some of you will know, but I was one years and years ago. This street up here was two-way traffic, Victoria Street. Yeah, two-way traffic. And the same with this Bankay Street here. Years ago, two-way traffic. And the buildings were no further back from the road than they are now. Right, let's have a blast here. Quick blast, because it's probably windy. Yeah, traffic's light, isn't it? Blue skies again. Look at that. Few on the beach here. Beautiful. So different when this lot's gone. Have a quick nose and see how the demolition's going on to our left hand side in a minute when I eventually get down there. Most of you do understand, and those that don't, I won't go into it, but I can't do too much at the moment. But bear with me, and hopefully as the weather warms up I can get out a bit more and not so much pain. Said I wasn't going to mention it anymore, but just in case you think, oh, it's the same old video. Continuing to work their way through that lot. We'll have a walk down the delights of Central Drive. But yeah, this we're at the back of the King Edward pub here now. That's been saved. But, you know, I'm not sure, I'm not up to date really what's happening with the development now on Central Car Park, but it'd be good if they spend some money on this pub. You know, bring it back to a food pub and a family pub. Someone's going to have to put some money behind it, but It'd be good if they do it, especially the location where it is. Probably wouldn't do much business now as a big family pub doing food, but when all this development opens, I can see this place has got some money to be made. But as I say, I don't know what the latest development is now, so if anybody does know, yeah, drop me a line in the comments what the update is on the development. Yeah, a little bit of Central Drive. What I should probably do later on this week is get a bus to somewhere and do some different stuff, rather than I've got to do so much walking then.
It's not even that, that's the accelerator.
The old toilets here, underground toilets. I think they've passed everywhere now, aren't they? Well, if you need a vape, you need a takeaway, or you need a haircut, Central Drive is the place to come. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this short video here now in Central Drive, and yeah, maybe if the weather's alright tomorrow, I'll get the bus somewhere and then do a video from the point where the bus stops and do something different. I just can't do too much walking at the moment. But anyway, yeah, Monday lunchtime, heading towards 12:30. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Just come on to say hello, and thank you for all the views over the weekend. And I shall catch you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.